wild animal. This animal you can only find in a big jungle. In the zoo, you cannot find, you cannot see this animal in your house. Example of this animal is like a tiger, elephant, lion, giraffe. Can we touch the wild animal? Like a tiger, you want to hug the tiger? Huh? Can? No, you cannot. You can't because it is very dangerous. Huh? This animal has a big teeth. Huh? That will bite you. Huh? That will eat you. The tiger will eat you. Right? Okay, so this is a tame animal. This is a wild animal. Wild animal, you can touch the animal. You can take it home as a pet. You can whatever you want to do with the animal, you can, but not the wild animal.